here's our first little bit of proof that something's going on back there. There's a bunch of little metal pieces all inside this timing cover. So we know we're on the right track.
Now, what do those metal pieces mean?
Well, something metal is touching something else that's metal while the engine's spinning. Or while the timing belt's moving. All right, so something just came out. That just came out of this side of the timing cover, and that looks like a bearing seal or a race seal. So I think we got a bearing in here that's come apart. All right, so come around here and you'll be able to get this. Like I said, I knew it was something behind the timing cover, and we're dealing with the cog pulley. If you zoom in on it, you'll see there's no bearing left. So this guy right here, you see how, like, once we get this thing in time, we'll take the tension off of it. Looks like somebody did a timing belt and a water pump, but for some reason they didn't replace the tensioner or any of these pulleys. So this will be a quick fix, and this car will be able to go back out on the road and obviously save the customer quite a bit of money.